We're here at the Guatemalan airport waiting for our sister's arrival. This will be their first time in Guatemala and we're so excited for them to be here. So we're just kind of waiting around, waiting for them to go through immigration, claim their luggage, and then see Guatemala for the first time.
Itarla. Issues.
Where's the other one? Look at her.
I thought I was dying in there. It was hot in the airplane.
Really?
It was hot.
Oh, wow.
It was hot. No air. Hey, brother.
It's good to see you. Good to see you. Good, good, good.
Welcome, welcome.
Hey, Bill, you made it. You made it. You made it. All right.
Man.
Okay. Give a little picture.
Okay, so my sisters are here. These are my sisters. Their first time in Guatemala. I mean, they're like a hot mess because they were like on the airplane like overnight.
No heat.
No heat.
It was too hot. No air.
But other than that, welcome to Guatemala. Yay!
And the worst thing is, it's an American airline, right?
Yes.
It's not even a rinky-dink airline.
No, no air.
Okay.
Well, boo for you, Delta. We came on another airline because we don't.
Cheryl.
During Christmas time, they have the big communal Christmas tree and everything over here.
Oh, wow.
So we're here in Cayala. We brought our sisters to Cayala City. It's the city within the city for the first time, and they are exploring. You know, so we're getting a view of them seeing Cayala for the first time. This is the Basilica. Oh, Jesus. This is the Basilica. The church is over here. I mean, every time we come to Cayala, they just continue to expand. It's just getting, the city is growing, expanding. It's so beautiful. I mean, it's just an amazing. From the time that we first came to Cayala a few years ago, it just continues to expand. So we're gonna just walk around, and I just want to experience the view from my sisters who's visiting here for the first time, and hope that my husband, who's the producer behind the camera, doesn't get run over. So let's walk and explore and hopefully not get run over. They're like so excited to be here for the first time. The feedback is, oh my God, this looks like Italy, this looks like Europe. And as you can see, you know, it really does look like we're in a different place aside from Guatemala. But we're here in Guatemala in front of the famous giant. This is like when people come to Cayala, they've heard about the famous giant, but this is the infamous giant. You know, a lot of people take pictures of him. You'll see him on YouTube, but it's extraordinary to see it in person. It's like the craftsmanship, it's amazing.
And it looks like it's marble.
complaining about not being able to take the music out.
So right here we are at the Seven Caldos Restaurante in Guatemala City, and I'm about to enjoy some delicious cow foot soup. Like, looks so yummy. Let me look at this. Oh my goodness, it really like smell-o-vision. This thing is so delectable. All the good gelatins. I love cow foot soup. So I'm looking forward to digging into this and just enjoying my lunch in Guatemala City. Bye. See you later.
This beauty. This is the cacique soup. It is made out of chicken and red sauce. It is a delicacy and is one of the iconic, I would say, soups in Guatemala, and it's of a Mayan tradition. So we're gonna have a good time enjoying this soup right here, and I invite you all to come and visit a place called Siete Caldos right here. If you videotape this, Siete Caldos. Thank you, baby. Aquí estamos ya con Mike.
Aquí estamos activos, a Dios gracias que le dio la bendición a nuestro hermano Ronnie Figueroa por poder venir a Guatemala, porque muchas veces para poder venirse aquí hay que organizarse de lo mejor, y a Dios gracias aquí estamos para poder darle el servicio que usted se merece. Si hay que comer, y si hay que beber, porque muchas veces hoy estamos y mañana no. Bendiciones.
Oiga ya, guata ya.
Oiga ya, aguanta ya.
We're here once again in Amanteca Bay
Resort.
Resort in Puerto Barrios. We've been here before. This is our second time at this resort, and we're going to take you in for a little tour in a little bit, you know, so you can kind of get the feel and view and sights of this beautiful resort, Amanteca Bay. Oh, my sisters are here.
Oh, yes.
Hey.
I'm Jessica. This is Beulah.
And I'm
This is Cher.
This is their first time in Guatemala ever, and what do you think about your trip so far?
I love it. I love it. I'm coming back.
I can't wait
Now,
to
you haven't
explore.
seen anything yet. This is just the beginning.
I can't wait. Ready to explore.
Okay.
You know?
I love it.
All right. So we got horseback riding on Friday. Tomorrow we're gonna take a tour of
I forget.
Livingston,
Okay, yes, we're doing
Rio
all that.
Dulce, the hot springs.
Yes, we'll do all that. But right
And
now,
plus-
I need to eat.
Yeah.
So, see you later.
Yo tengo hambre.
Spanish 101.